This is Tika. Tika is a 3-year-old spayed pit bull mix. She was transferred to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about her history. She seems to be housebroken, she's great with other dogs, and she's also microchipped. If you want to meet Tika, come down to the Humane Society. This is Bruiser. Bruiser is a 2-year-old neutered Australian Shepherd mix. He was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could not afford to care for him. He is housebroken, good with dogs. He's known to be affectionate, energetic, and happy. If you want to meet Bruiser, come down to the Humane Society. This is Nelson. Nelson is a 5-year-old neutered border collie boxer mix. He was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could not have him where they were living. He is housebroken, great with dogs his own size, would do best in a home with older kids. He's an energetic boy who needs an active home that has plenty of time to exercise him. If you want to meet Nelson, come down to the Humane Society. This is Maggie. Maggie is a 2-year-old spayed Labrador mix. She was a transfer to the Humane Society from another shelter, so we don't know much about her history. She's great with other dogs, seems to be housebroken. She's an active girl who loves to play fetch. If you want to meet Maggie, come down to the Humane Society.